we are going to create the shapes here. Let's generate the designs, explore the features. I will add a different color there. So here is an eraser to use about it. I will regenerate the shapes in a way. We will add a paint there. So let's have a design there. Add a pattern stamp over the